So
It's not hitting gas yet.
you'll hear it. They want it. It's important.
cut the floor back out of it to get all the controls and everything up forward far enough. Get all the controls up forward far enough for them to work right. I had to move the whole floor up, so we had to do some moving around, but we got some wires slung around and got the fuel system ran. We are a long ways from done. We are a long ways from done, but it's coming along. We got a running truck now. I can move it in and out of the garage. So it's a long ways from being done. We still got a lot of work to do, but I can get it in and out of the garage now and work on some other stuff. I'll probably be taking a bit of a break from this for a while. Honestly, I'm a little burned out on it, and we're coming into the season where we're gonna be going out and trying to do some away from home, out adventure type stuff. So it's coming along though. Be heading down to Sand Hollow here in the next month with the Razor. Unfortunately, this is way too far away from being done and ready to go, so but I can move it in and out of the shop now and get some other stuff done. Go ahead and check out our website. I've got t-shirts and stickers in stock. Check out adventuresaimless.com. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Go hear some of my other content. Go check it out. Also remember to leave some feedback in the comments. It helps me make my content better for you guys.